Hey everybody, and welcome to the house. This is the first week back after the horrible LA wildfires, and first things first, we're super lucky, we're okay, family is okay, and this house is okay, even though it was pretty close to the Eden fires and we actually had to evacuate. So now, after a couple days of being evacuated and having a bunch of anxiety about the house, about us, about the air, about all the things, all I want to do is go to the shop and build something to soothe my nerves. But before I get to do that, there needs to be some cleanup. Besides those two trees, I also have to take care of the pool because it is full of debris, branches, leaves, and most of all, ashes and dust. And it's just a big mess. And now this is an insane coincidence. You could not time this if you wanted to, but a couple of weeks ago, the guys from Wybot reached out and asked me, hey, do you need an automatic pool cleaner? And I was like, I never had a pool, I don't know what I need, but sure, let me try it. So a day before the fire started, the pool cleaner shows up, and I am now so happy because I can actually use every help that I can get to get this pool clean. This is the Wybot S2 Pro, and it is the first pool cleaner with self-docking and wireless charging, which means whenever the little guy is running low on battery, it knows to drive home to its docking station and give itself a little bit of a charge. And you can even select different cleaning modes, like floor only or wall and then floor, a standard, full pool, eco floor or turbo floor. And this is obviously what I selected here. And it's very, very thorough because it has a double filtration system. And you can control it with the app, which is very easy to install and then allows you to remote control it or monitor the cleaning status or recall it for docking and charging or for scheduling cleaning. And the S2 Pro stands out because you can actually operate it via app even though it is submerged in water, and it's the only pool cleaner that lets you do that.
Whoa! Look at him! It's crazy what difference it makes. You see where he's driving around? And then all this ash? Wow, so this has been 20 minutes. Look at that. It's hard to see, but he's been here, up the walls, This little guy.
This little guy is so cute, A, and very, very efficient, B. You can actually see the lines that it's vacuuming through the dirt. I think it has a couple more hours of work to do, and while the robot does the work that I actually have to do, I need to do something else, and that is a little bit of a heartbreaker. See this diving board? It has to come down. Insurance says it's not safe, and especially right now where everybody's scared to lose insurance, we are taking it down just to be safe. But of course, you know, I would have loved to have a diving board, but there's right now nothing we can do. The good news is though, I always wondered what's inside a diving board. So since we have to get rid of it anyways, we might as well cut it open.
Okay, before I show you this, I'm trying to keep it a secret. Let's check on the robot. Let's see how the pool is doing. Wow, what? Look at you. Look at this. Guys, remember the before? This is incredible. Amazing. Okay, now let's take a look at the shelf. God, I'm so pumped to show you. Are you ready for this? Oh my God! Things I want to say. One, how rewarding, and I think this every time I recycle something, how rewarding it is to save something from the landfill, and then on top of that, surprising yourself. Because honestly, when I had the idea to build this little shelf for this gap that we had, it was like, yeah, okay, an herb shelf, whatever. It's like these little projects that are so easy to underestimate, herb shelves, cutting boards, these little things that don't look like much, but if you give it the same attention as a big thing, they come out so beautiful. And this thing, I'll see it every day. I'll see it every day and it'll make me so happy, and I'll think of the diving board, and I think of the moment that I saw how beautiful the wood is, and this is exactly what I want to do. This is exactly what I want to do. You know this feeling when you build something and you're so happy with it that you take a picture so you can, during the day, sneak out your phone and keep looking at it? This is one of those projects. I know it's simple. It doesn't matter. It's beautiful. So happy with this. So, I know this started as a big smooth shaking. I know this started as a big cleanup video, but it ended as another piece of furniture built for the house. And this is, as you know, my big goal is to build every piece of furniture for this house. This is number 4. Now, before I go, I want to ask you, what would you have made from that diving board? I'm interested. And remember, when it comes to rescuing material from the landfill, there are no wrong answers. So get creative. Let me know what you would have done with those ancient 2x4s from the diving board. And I also want to thank my friends from Wybot for supporting my work, for sending me this amazing little robot friend. I'll use it all the time. And because the robot was working for me, I get to work on something that I'm very, very passionate about, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week with a new video.